Hey, what's up, my friend? Calic and I here, and chances are that you've seen some of my ads online before. And in case you haven't, well, here's a bunch of them.
Hey, what's up, my friend? Calic and I
Exactly.
here.
How I did.
Here all the way up until the very end because
Listen, I've been seen billions of times, and because of that, I've been able to build multiple 7- and 8-figure businesses. My primary business being in the courses and consulting space, doing over $75 million in sales in the last few years. And one of the questions that I get most often is, how have I been able to build my business using direct response marketing and drive all the way to 75 million in sales? And the truth is that up until now, I've had a very secret weapon.
Hey, what's up? My name is Bailey Prue. And because I was able to help Cal go from that 0 to 75 million, there's a lot of unique things I got to see on how to scale a coaching, consulting, and course creators business. There's lots of little nuances that happen, and we have the ability to actually help you get to that point. Also, on top of that, we've worked with some of the so-called top agencies, and we understand why they're not able to drive the result because they haven't ever done it for us. That's why we put together this 5-pillar framework named our Scale Framework. Number one here, we specialize in only working with high-ticket information products that are over $1,000 ticket price. Because of that, we're able to dial in our SOPs, our communication, everything based off of that. We're not going to go and work with an affiliate marketing or e-commerce company. We only specialize in high-ticket information. Number two here, we have communication, probably one of the most important pieces. Unlike what I've seen with other agencies, how it seems like before they get on the call, they just looked at your account right before they got on the call. You'll get almost daily communication from us on what's working, creative-wise, copy-wise, audience-wise, give you that feedback on not just what's working, but also things that aren't working and why we think that's happening, which is one of the most important pieces here, okay? Number three here, we have attribution. For our coach, consultants, and course creators, our most important customer is coming 30, 60, 90 days down the line, and Facebook's not actually able to even get that information back. That's why we put together our custom tracking solution where we can get that information outside of Facebook into Facebook. So we're actually able to optimize based off the highest quality cheap leads. We don't just want cheap leads. We don't just want the highest quality leads, but how do we get the best quality person inside of your business for the lowest cost? Number four here, we have L for long range reporting. Media buying has such a big impact on everything it's doing in your whole business. If we're just tracking CPA or lead costs, we're not tracking the things that actually matter inside your business. So as we're adjusting things on the front end, we're able to see what adjusts on your CPA, your booked call quality, based off your LTVs, your refund rates. We do all that tracking so we know exactly how our media buying is affecting your business. All right, and the last pillar here, number 5, is E for engagement. We believe we're coming into your business as more of a partner than us trying to compete with sales and sales trying to compete with us. We see this as more of a piece of teamwork. We're going to communicate with your sales team, so we're making sure we're getting the highest quality traffic. And as they give us feedback based off if the quality traffic is good or bad, we're able to adjust that on the front end to make sure that your sales team and even your operations and back-end team has the best quality person coming through as possible. If that doesn't sound good enough, we actually guarantee we can drive a meaningful result in your business in the next 90 days, which we'll cover here on our one-on-one call. And if we don't, we'll actually refund you all of our fees plus 10%. That basically means the only way that you can lose money is if you don't work with us. So somewhere around this video, you'll see a button. Click on that button, go over to the next page, fill out the quick 2-minute survey, and I'll see you on the other side.